We know 2x, 4x minus 7, x square y plus x minus 3y are algebraic expressions. We know how to add 2x and 4x minus 7. We also know how to multiply 2x and 4x minus 7. Let us begin the chapter by doing the same operations on the following problems. Exercise 3.1. Question 1. Add the expression 1. Add 2a plus b plus 7 plus 4a plus 2b plus 3. Step 1. We shall add by the horizontal method. Hence, we first open the brackets. We get 2a plus b plus 7 plus 4a plus 2b plus 3. Step 2. Now, in addition and subtractions, we have to group the like terms. Hence, we arrange the like terms together, that is, 2a plus 4a, b plus 2b, and 7 plus 3. So we get 2a plus 4a plus b plus 2b plus 7 plus 3. We now add the coefficient of like terms to get the result, and we get 6a plus 3b plus 10. Exercise 3.1. Sum based on subtraction of algebraic expressions. Question 2. What should be added to 5x square plus 2xy plus y square to get 3x square plus 4xy? Solution. Let a be added to 5x square plus 2xy plus y square. Therefore, 5x square plus 2xy plus y square plus a is equal to 3x square plus 4xy. Therefore, a is equal to 3x square plus 4xy minus 5x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 3x square plus 4xy minus 5x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to minus 2x square plus 2xy minus y square. Therefore, minus 2x square plus 2xy minus y square should be added to 5x square plus 2xy plus y square to get 3x square plus 4xy. Note: students, we have to be careful of the changes in sign. When there are minus sign before the bracket, the signs of the terms in the bracket followed by the minus sign change. We have to keep this in mind. Now let us solve the first problem of question 3. Simplify. 1. Let us simplify an expression where we do a multiplication operation. The expression is 5x multiplied by 2x plus 3y. The first step here is to open the bracket by multiplying each term of the bracket by 5x, and we get 5x multiplied by 2x plus 5x multiplied by 3y, which is equal to 10x square plus 15xy. The next step is to add or subtract like terms. There are no like terms in this example. Hence, the final answer is 10x square plus 15xy. Now let us solve the second problem of question 4. This is a sum on division. Divide x square minus 1 upon 4x square by x minus 1 upon 2x. The divisor is x minus 1 upon 2x. Let us write in the way as shown here. X square minus 1 upon 4x square is a dividend. Let us write in the way as shown here. Let us take the first term of the divisor, that is x, and multiply by x to get x square, which is the first term of the dividend. Since the divisor has two terms, we have to multiply x by x minus 1 upon 2x and we get x square minus half. Now place x square below the x square, and since half is a number, we put it in a separate place as shown. We now subtract by changing the signs. Hence, x square and minus x square will be cancelled. And we got the remainder as minus 1 upon 4x square plus half. We now continue to take the first term of divisor, that is x, and multiply by 1 upon 2x to get 1 upon 2. We write it below half as shown. The second term of divisor, that is minus 1 upon 2x, will be also multiplied by x and we get minus 1 upon 4x square. We write it below the remainder minus 1 upon 4x square. We now subtract by changing the signs. The remainder is 0. The answer is quotient is x plus 1 upon 2x and remainder is 0.